Turkey. Europe, which offers more affordable dental crowns? Dental crowns are a common and effective way to restore and protect damaged or decayed teeth. They not only improve the appearance of the tooth but also provide strength and durability. However, the cost of dental crowns can vary significantly depending on the country you are in. In this article, we will compare the cost of dental crowns in Turkey and Europe to determine which offers a more affordable option for patients. Turkey has become a popular destination for medical tourism in recent years, including dental treatments. The country offers high-quality dental care at a fraction of the cost compared to many European countries. This is due to lower labor costs, lower overhead expenses, and a favorable exchange rate for foreign patients. As a result, many patients from Europe and other parts of the world are traveling to Turkey to save money on dental treatments, including dental crowns. On the other hand, Europe is known for its high-quality dental care, but it comes at a higher price. The cost of dental crowns in Europe can vary depending on the country and the specific dental clinic. In general, countries in Western Europe tend to have higher prices for dental treatments compared to Eastern European countries. Patients in Europe may be willing to pay a higher price for dental crowns to ensure quality and expertise in their treatment. When comparing the cost of dental crowns in Turkey and Europe, it is important to consider not only the price but also the quality of the treatment and the expertise of the dental professionals. In Turkey, patients can expect to pay significantly less for dental crowns compared to Europe. The cost of a dental crown in Turkey can vary depending on the material used, the complexity of the treatment, and the location of the dental clinic. On average, patients can save up to 50 bis 70% on dental crowns in Turkey compared to European countries. In Europe, the cost of dental crowns can range from A500 to A1500 per tooth, depending on the material used and the complexity of the treatment. This cost can be significantly higher in countries like Germany, France, and the UK compared to countries in Eastern Europe. Patients in Europe may have access to a higher standard of care and expertise, but they will need to pay a premium for these services. When considering which option is more affordable for dental crowns, it is important to weigh the cost savings in Turkey against the quality and expertise offered in Europe. Patients who are on a budget and looking to save money on dental treatments may find Turkey to be a more attractive option. However, patients who prioritize quality and are willing to pay a higher price for dental care may prefer to stay in Europe for their dental crown treatment. In conclusion, both Turkey and Europe offer affordable options for dental crowns, but the cost savings in Turkey are significantly higher compared to Europe. Patients should consider their budget, treatment needs, and preferences when deciding where to receive dental crown treatment. Ultimately, the most important factor is to choose a reputable and experienced dental clinic that can provide high-quality care at an affordable price. Whether you choose to travel to Turkey or stay in Europe for your dental crown treatment, it is important to prioritize your oral health and well-being.